Refurbishment and Landscaping. Welcome to Refurbishment and Landscaping. In this session, we'll explore sustainable refurbishment practices, energy-efficient solutions, and the benefits of green building materials. Additionally, we'll discuss landscaping approaches and processes to enhance urban and rural spaces. Refurbishment. Refurbishment involves cleaning, decorating, and upgrading buildings by adding new equipment or facilities. The main purpose is to enhance building sustainability and energy efficiency. Design and planning. A successful refurbishment project requires a well-rounded team, including design architects, building contractors, building service engineers, plumbing and service contractors, interior designers, and lighting engineers. Key steps for a sustainable refurbishment program. To ensure a sustainable refurbishment program, start by appointing a qualified and trained team. Provide a detailed briefing for both the team and staff, agree on sustainable targets, monitor commissioning goals, and maintain high-quality standards and building control. Building materials and products. Refurbishment requires various building materials, including aggregates, cement, bricks, roof tiles, fabric, foam, glass, gypcrete, metal, steel, sand or rock, and wood or timber. Green building materials. This image showcases a sustainable home design emphasizing the use of green building materials and energy-efficient practices. The house integrates solar panels for alternative energy, light-colored roofing and walls to reduce heat absorption, and energy-efficient windows to minimize thermal loss. Features like high-quality insulation, sealed ductwork, and properly sized mechanical systems improve energy efficiency. The design incorporates low/zero vac materials, minimal carpet use, and native landscaping to enhance indoor air quality and reduce environmental impact. Additional systems include rainwater collection, central vacuuming, and Energy Star appliances, along with thoughtful shading from trees and overhangs. These elements collectively reduce energy consumption, promote sustainability, and ensure a healthier living environment. Insulated windows. Insulated windows are designed to improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality by minimizing heat transfer and preventing the entry of dust and allergens. Their multi-pane structure, often filled with inert gas, helps keep heat out during summer and trap warmth inside during winter, reducing the need for heating or cooling and lowering energy bills. The tight seals not only improve thermal performance but also block outdoor pollutants, enhancing air quality and making them ideal for allergy sufferers. Additionally, they reduce noise from outside and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, contributing to a more comfortable and sustainable living environment. Energy efficiency enhancements. Energy efficiency improvements are essential in refurbishment. Some options include energy-efficient lighting, efficient building services, energy monitoring systems, enhanced thermal performance, and a focus on comprehensive operation and maintenance. Energy efficiency enhancements. Energy efficiency improvements are essential in refurbishment. Some options include energy-efficient lighting, efficient building services, energy monitoring systems, enhanced thermal performance, and a focus on comprehensive operation and maintenance. Benefits of energy-efficient buildings. Energy-efficient buildings offer several benefits, including increased safety, minimized maintenance costs, reduced utility expenses, a healthier environment, improved durability and comfort, and reduced noise levels. Benefits of energy-efficient buildings. Energy-efficient buildings offer several benefits, including increased safety, minimized maintenance costs, reduced utility expenses, a healthier environment, improved durability and comfort, and reduced noise levels. Landscaping. Landscaping is the process of arranging and modifying features in urban or garden spaces. This involves planning, designing, and managing open spaces to enhance both urban and rural environments. Landscaping approach. A well-thought-out landscaping approach includes adaptive management, addressing common concerns, multifunctionality and multi-scale options, transparent change logic, clarification of rights, user-friendly resilience monitoring, and strengthened stakeholder capacity. Landscaping process. Landscaping follows a structured process. Step 1 is site analysis, followed by assessing the client's needs. Step 3 involves creating a functional diagram, Step 4 is developing a conceptual design, and finally, Step 5 is finalizing a detailed design plan. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please contact TSD Office Engineering GHG. We appreciate your interest in ESG initiatives.